very quickly add content to our ePortfolio or blog by adding blog posts. To do this, enter the admin section of your site and go to the blog post section and click on the add button. If I click on add here, I can add a new blog post to my site. So if it's a personal portfolio, I might want to add a post on maybe photography work or research work or maybe a conference that I attended. If it might be a student blog or portfolio, perhaps they might want to record something on work experience or an assignment or maybe a summary of a module. In this case, I'm going to assume that we're creating a sample page for a work experience student. So the title of our post will be My First Day, and the content, I'm just going to put some lorem ipsum in here, so I'll just put some random text. Now what I can do is I can format this text. So you see here, there's a very simple editor. You'll be familiar with this type of editor if you've ever used Microsoft Word or any other type of word processor. We can simply double click on words or select portions of our text and format it. So once I'm happy with the content of my post, I'm ready to publish it, or if I want to, I can preview it. So this is exactly how my post will look once it's published on my ePortfolio or blog. And again, I can take a look at it on different device sizes. What I can also do, and this is really useful from a privacy perspective, is I can edit the visibility of this post. So I can make it public, I make it private, or I can make it password protected. So when I click on private, it tells me that it's only visible to administrators and editors. Okay, so that's not something I want to do at the moment. Or I can make it password protected. If you're in any doubt, just click on the information icon here and it shows you the different options available to you. So I'm going to add a password to my post here, and it's going to be showme, SHOWME. So I'll click off that there now, and when I'm ready to publish my post, I'll click on the publish option. What's really useful now is if I go back to my admin interface, I can now see that I've got 2 posts on my site. If I click on the blog posts link here, it will show me all of the different posts. It will also show me a lock symbol here to show me that it's a protected post. In other words, it's not publicly available, it's controlled by password. Also, for each of my posts, I can view them, view the stats on each of them, or I can quickly delete them or edit them. So it's a really nice interface for new users. Again, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on my site here, and I'm going to view my site in a pop-up window. Now you can see here, protected, my first day. I can see the title of the post and the date, but it requires a password. So I'm going to type in the password, show me, click on enter, and then it's shown in my browser window. So it's a really useful feature, particularly if there's posts maybe that you don't want to make openly public. Or if there's a post maybe you just want to see a supervisor will get a view of, or somebody else will get a view of before it's approved and made public. So it's a really useful feature. Again, if I want to take off the password protection, I can go back in and edit the post, click on the visibility, make it public, and then update my post, and the changes are saved. What I can also do is delete this post, in other words, send it to the trash, or I can make it a sticky. In other words, this post will always be at the top of the list of posts on the site. It will always be the top post shown. And this is useful if you want to create a post maybe about yourself or your work or your research or the contents of your ePortfolio. So in this case, we've just taken a look at how to very quickly add and manage posts on our WordPress blog. To add a new post, simply click on the add button. To view all of your existing posts, click on the blog post link here, and from this page you can see the amount of posts you've got published. You can edit individual posts, view them, view the statistics for them, or trash them. If you put something into the trash, it's not permanently deleted, it's put in WordPress trash and it will be deleted at a later point. So a really quick and easy way to add content to your ePortfolio or your blog.